Oh, hello. Today we have a new Bosch glide saw, CM12SD. It was announced in October of this year, and now we have it, and I thought I will open the box and share it with you. What's inside the box? What does it look like? Now that, to me, it looks like the same glide saw with a 12-inch blade, except this one has 10-inch blade. The rest of it pretty much looks the same. The motor is supposed to be a little faster, but that's just to adjust for the diameter of the blade. Oh my, that's a big saw. Alright, things I will never use, or maybe use. Looks like a material clamp. That's always good to have it in a box. And if you use one of those, two useless things packaged together. A dust bag, which, you know, none of them really work, and manual.
Who reads the manual, right?
Who reads the manual? Yeah, I really like the way
That's for the
packaged.
women who buy this.
There you go. It's like, yeah, just leave
it there
package,
for when you sell it in
yeah,
20 years.
Exactly. Alright. Alright, looks like that's the part of the front controls for the bevel. Yeah, I think that's what it is. And even before we pull it out, I'll tell you something right up front. This is a heavy saw. Now, you would probably expect that when Bosch goes from 12-inch blade to 10-inch blade, there would be a significant reduction in weight. And yes, there is a whole pound. It is literally 1 pound lighter.
One 2-inch blade diameter's worth of weight.
There you go. I guess that's how much, how heavy that blade is. All
Can you
right.
lift 60 pounds out, or you want me to help?
Nah, you do the important part. You hold the camera. All right. Let's see if we can do that. All right. Well, I can see that's about 60 pounds. Technically 64. Ooh, that's what it is. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. Alright, well, let's see this mysterious glide action in action. Looks like that's the lock for it. And
Styrofoam.
And there we go. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's like a robotic arm.
Here, listen, don't say anything. Don't say anything.
Oh, you're right. It
Dead
makes like
silent.
absolutely no sound.
Compared to the
yeah,
slide
no sound at all. And very smooth.
Close up on the mechanism here.
Ooh. Oh, this is good.
I'd say worth every bit of $700 or thereabouts.
Yeah, Amazon $6.99. You can find it actually quite a bit cheaper if you can find it.
There you have it.
Oh my goodness, that's a space age. This is a space age. I'm so looking forward